How to add Oberlo to Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your dropshipping easy on Shopify. Open up Shopify in the web browser. Click on Apps from the dashboard, then tap on App and Sales Channel Settings. Now click on the Shopify App Store button. Search Oberlo and you can see the app relevant to search. Then open up the App Store and search for the Oberlo dropshipping app. But as you can see, this app isn't available on the Shopify App Store. Then go back to the App Store and click on DSR's AliExpress Dropshipping. Click on Add App to add the app in store. Then open up the Oberlo site. Click on Join Shopify Now button. And then tap on Skip All. You can create a Shopify ID with Google, Facebook, Apple, and email. Or you can click on Log in to your account. Then open the App Store page and click on Install App. You can click on Create an account for you or register yourself on DS. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.